Super 6-4, come inbound and take Walcott's position.
Roger. 6-4 is inbound.
Like you got clipped pretty good.
These screw pedals are okay. No, we're good. Got a slight vibration in the pedals, but we're good.
All right, put it down on the airfield, Super 6-4. Have it checked out just to be safe.
Roger. Hey, Ray, I'm getting a lot of movement in these pedals. Check the systems again.
Get Strookers, call them back out there. They need to get to Durant's crash site fast. I want them out of here. All of them.